My first relationship, when I was in 12th class. Our first meet. That day, I was going to school by a DTC bus. I was a shy girl. I have no friends. So I was seated alone. He came towards me and asked, "If you don't mind, may I sit here?" I replied, "Sure." He was staring at me constantly, but in a good way. Our school is same but separated with the wall. After reaching school he said, "I hope we'll meet soon." But I replied nothing. Relationship started. After couple of meetings he proposed me and I said yes because I like him too. I thought he was a good guy and he genuinely likes me. But I was wrong. Relationship ended. One day he introduced me to his friends. Physically my ex is more attractive than me. His friends told him, "This is not your type of girl, you deserve better." And my boyfriend started ignoring me. Many times I waited for him at the bus stop. He blocked my number and also blocked me on WhatsApp. But I wanted to know why he is ignoring me. One night before my birthday I called him from my friend's mobile. And I said, "Tomorrow is my birthday, can we meet?" He said, "Okay." On my birthday. I was in a DTC bus, and he's with his friends who told him, I'm not a better option for him. He and his friends started teasing me. That time it's hard to believe that my BF doing these things with me on my birthday. When our relationship started, he told me that he likes poetry, and the next day I give him some my handwritten poetry. But on my birthday, he threw my poetry on my face. His friends insulted me for my looks in front of him. And he watched all the dramas and he said nothing to his friends. I was alone. All passengers in the bus staring at me. And that day our relationship ended. After 1 year he texted me and said sorry for everything. He told me everything, that his friends didn't like me, that's why he broke up with me. But that was his biggest mistake and blah blah blah. Again he proposed me but I said no. And I said, "I don't trust you. I don't want to see your face again." Because of my ex, my school life becomes so toxic. Everybody knows about my relationship and what happened with me in the bus.